Okay, I told you in another video that I would be showing you our little tiny house that we live in, and I'd go over the system. This is our front yard. There's a corn patch from the video that's coming. There's three 370 watt panels propped against that fence to catch the west sun. The 300 watt panels are not connected to anything, but I've got a 400 watt panel over here, 400 watt panel right here. I've got four 400 watt panels and a 370 watt panel as my front porch cover, and another three 370 watt panels over here. Problem is, I'm on a 12 volt system, so I've got a bunch of charge controllers. The two up top are both 80 amp controllers. One of them is hooked to these four 400 watt panels. The other one is hooked to those three 370 watt panels. The two 30 amp controllers, which aren't really 30 amps, they claim they are, they're PWM, they're both hooked to that one 370 watt panel there. The 60 amp controller is hooked to those three. I'm sorry, the 60 amp is hooked to the two on the shed. Those three and those three, those catch the east sun. They're getting power now. They are the ones hooked to the one on the left, and the four 400 watt panels up top are hooked to the one on the right. This tiny house, I originally built a 12 by 24 about 7 years ago, and when our house burnt down, we added this 8 by 16 addition on the back so it's shaped like an L. A later video I will show you the inside, but that I turned into a central unit. It has ducts going through the ceiling, and it has a makeshift heater on it that I designed out of a 1500 watt space heater. This little panel right here, which is the cover for the generator and the gas, powers this little water pump. And I'm not finished with this. Right here, I'm going to put a one-way check valve, because when I run the pump, I have to have the valve open, and then I close it when we need to use the hot water. But there's a 200 foot of black garden hose that loops back and forth on top of the house. It comes back down into the hot water heater. It comes out of the hot water heater, goes down to this T right here, and it goes back that way and circles through during the day to heat the water with the sun. I also have a backup electric heating that I'll show you on the later video. I have two switches right beside that window inside the house. I can turn on and off the pump, and I can turn on and off the electric. Under here, there is a 75 amp RV battery charger and a 40 amp battery charger. When my batteries get low, the generator powers those. I have 8 100 amp 12 volt batteries, and yes, my cat doesn't come out much, so there has been mouse activity. That's one bank. Another 8 right here, 100 watt 12 volt batteries, and another 5 100 watt or 100 amp 12 volt batteries. That is the power system for the house and how we heat the water. This little 2000 watt generator is all we have needed. We have a dishwasher, a full-size fridge, full-size bathroom, like I said, that water heater, a computer, big televisions, etc. This is a spare 370 watt panel that I will be adding to my shop for power. I'll make a video of that later on, probably no time soon, but I will show you which inverter I'm using because I'm not crawling under the house. But I have the box it came in right there. The 5,000 watt inverter from Harbor Freight. I've been on this for a year. Just about a year I've had it completely powering everything that we have. Has no problem. I built this lean-to mainly for that extra panel, but it doubles as the lawnmower cover. Those 3 panels, they double as the 4-wheeler cover when it's parked. I use it to go back and forth to the farm. So we have a gas oven and stove. Everything else runs off electricity. We started with electric stove, single burner, and a conventional toaster oven, but the gas works a whole lot better, and we needed more heat at the winter time, so we got that out of an old RV and we put it in here. There's an air conditioner right here. That one's in the kitchen, and another air conditioner, which will be installed by the time the next video is made, will be in this window right here. And there's Layla. Say hey, Layla. Say hey, Layla. But this is the back of the house. I have a very tall antenna. I don't know if you can see it or not. 38 foot. I get any channel I want. This lean-to was built to keep the sun off this side of the house because it superheated it, and it doubles as the dirt bike and motorcycle cover. Nothing wasted. I've got to put that underpinning back up. I took it down to connect the addition. I hadn't put it back up yet. And the sunscreen, obviously, to keep the sun off the motorcycle and the dirt bike. But I've got a security camera here that's hooked to the Wi-Fi. And at the end of the driveway, there's another camera right there that's hooked to the Wi-Fi. Just enough to reach. But yes, we do have a circle drive. Some beautiful mimosa trees. And we've been very blessed. We got the gazebo. And if you have any questions, I mean, ask. I'll respond as soon as I can. There's no stupid question except for the one that's unanswered, right? So, yes, that is central. And once again, I'll make another video of the inside and upload it soon. Thanks for watching.